this is a show that's based on a foreign show called Pinoza. It's based on that directly. So what do I think? Yeah, a lot of people loved Daulat and Arya's chemistry. मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ मॉम कोई जरूरत नहीं अपनी ज्वेलरी बेचने की. मैं रोज आपकी साड़ियां और आपकी ज्वेलरी पहन के कार्डियो करूंगा.
Hi guys, welcome to India.com and Bollywood Life. I am चिराग सहगल और बहुत जल्द हमारे बीच एक ऐसा शो आ रहा है जिसके सीजन 1 ने पिछले साल आग लगा दी थी. It's none other than आर्या और इसलिए आज हमारे साथ है सिकंदर खेर उर्फ दौलत from the show. Hi Sikandar, how are you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you, Chirag?
I am great. How excited are you for the season 2?
I don't know whether excited is the right word, but we're looking forward to it, hoping that people give it as much love as they give the first season, hoping that they enjoy it, hoping that we can still entertain them as much as we did in the first season.
Towards the end of season 1, we saw how Arya decided to give it up all, whether it is crime or drug-related industry. What is it in season 2 that will bring her back to the same?
I can't tell you anything about season 2. Nothing about season 2 can be told. Only on 10th December you'll know.
We also saw Daulat landing up in jail by the end of season 1.
Yeah.
What exciting will be about Daulat's character again?
I don't know.
Some excitement you want to share?
Nothing. I can't share anything. I haven't shared with anybody. I'm not allowed. मेरे पेट पे क्यों लात मार रहे हो यार? तुम लोग क्या पागल हो गए हो?
But I really wanted to say this. Your character in the show reminds me of Katappa from Bahubali. Anybody has ever told you this?
But one person told me this for the first time right now.
No, because Daulat was very loyal for Arya's father. He killed Arya's husband for the same. But then he knew that justice should be served for Arya also. And therefore he helped her. How do you see this comparison between you and Katappa from Bahubali?
I've not seen Bahubali, so are you asking the wrong person?
Oh.
To be honest, I've only seen Bahubali Part 2. I have not seen Part 1, which is very sad. And don't judge me. Also, it's okay if you judge me, but I haven't seen it yet. So you guys know best. But somebody else said it, so I'm sure there must be that loyalty is definitely there. But I see Daulat as that, as you rightfully said. He is completely loyal, but the thing is that eventually he does do what he was supposed to do, and then he realizes that it was a mistake. And people make mistakes in life, and you can repent, and that's the most he can do. But he realized that he made a mistake, and in the end of season 1, he gives up the father. He gives up the father, and he gives himself up. So I think that is a big move by him.
We also saw. Like Daulat loves Arya. It's not very explicitly shown.
No, he's in
but
love.
Then it's very suggestive.
He is in love.
Yeah. Do you think that plots also should have been, or in season 2, should be given more space?
I don't know. You'll have to talk to the writers.
No, but what do you think specifically? Like about your character?
I don't know. See, this is a show that's based on a foreign show called Pinoza. It's based on that directly. So what do I think? Yeah, a lot of people loved Daulat and Arya's chemistry. Ab aage kya hota hai? Your guess is as good as mine.
But do you want to see Daulat and Arya's romantic angle?
See, if I see Daulat as
suppose if you are a writer.
No. So if I am all the love that Daulat and Arya got, of course anybody will want to see it. I think that is beautiful because the energy that you see, that chemistry, people want to see them together. That is something that I saw. As far as Daulat is concerned as a person, when I see him and the backstory that we went into, he was in love with Arya from a very young age. They must have been children playing around in the same house, though he must have been the boy that was almost like the servant of the house. But he must have loved her from a very young age, and he's in love with her. He's completely in love with her, and I think she's the greatest love of Daulat's life. So for Daulat's sake, I would want that, but that's very hypothetical.
What is that one thing Daulat ke character se jo aapne seekhi?
Calmness, just to be calm and relaxed under pressure. If you're ever under pressure, he's always calm, because that's when you can think clearly and you can make the right decisions.
Sushmita is the lead. She's the Sherni of the show. Do you think that's also a very big step for makers to make it? Because in this industry, most of the heroic roles are dominated by men.
Yeah, I think it's great. I think it's fantastic. I think it just goes on to show and prove that gender doesn't really mean that much as we have always thought of it as. and I think it's really, really great. It's extremely progressive, and I think it's not just progressive. I think it just goes to show that the lady who is the lead, who is heroic, who is powerful, who is hard, who's going through violence and situations like this, it's all with a woman lead, and it's done really, really well, and people have loved it. So people have accepted it. So it is acceptable. It is accepted. It's just always based on how you make it and how the story is. Eventually, it always boils down to that. So
Yeah.
you can make a lead of anybody, any gender no bar, nothing no bar. It's just how you tell a story.
We have repeatedly seen Kiranji talking about you not getting married.
Right.
Recently, she said मैं अपनी सारी jewelry she wanted to donate because you were not getting married again. Do you think, like, despite everything, there's one point in life when parents are like, यार अब तो शादी कर लो.
हाँ, point आ गया ना मेरे यहाँ. But yeah, there's definitely that point, of course. But that's for many other reasons. I'll tell you why. It's just like parents are always thinking about their children to get married because they don't want their children to be alone. Maybe these are thoughts that parents have. They think of companionship. They want to have grandchildren. They want, they want that. They want you to have children. They want you to feel all these things. So I think it comes from a lot of that. It's not just
Yeah.
शादी कर लो यार. So it's not like I've ever been forced. My mom मजाक में तो कहती है, अगर बहुत सीरियस चीज होता तो बात नहीं करती publicly, I think. Okay, but वो मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मॉम कोई जरूरत नहीं अपनी ज्वेलरी बेचने की. मैं रोज आपकी साड़ियां और आपकी ज्वेलरी पहन के कार्डियो करूंगा.
But what are your marriage plans otherwise? What are these 3 qualities you want to see in your future wife?
Arey brother, those qualities should also be seen by the lady in me. So who am I to decide what?
I'm sure she will. But what are the qualities that you look for?
Man, I'll tell you what. It's not one. I'm not looking. I mean, okay, if I'm looking for something, she should have a great sense of humor. I should be able to have a conversation with her. And yeah, that's just 2 qualities. That's all that actually matters. That's it. And if we're just healthy for each other, that's just important. Both of us should be healthy for each other, because wo love ho gaya, shaadi kar li is not just the way to go about it, man. At the end of the day, you want something. It's a relationship that should last. You're not just getting married for the sake of getting married. And for something to last, a relationship, you'll see bad days, you'll see good days, you'll see all kinds of days together. There'll be days that she doesn't like me. There'll be days I don't like her, but we should still within ourselves love. So love is something that's very deep. It's something it should make 2 people grow positively. So I think these are very important. You should have a really companionship and something that's amazing.
Since we're already talking about Kiranji, she has resumed work also with a reality TV show. Were you or Anupam sir a little skeptical about it when she decided, okay, I want to go back to work?
No, not at all.
Did you want her to take a little rest?
No, not at all. Yeah, she has to do what she has to do. The decision is always hers. In our family, we all take our own decisions. We're very strong-headed people. My father, my mother, and myself. She might have thought about it, but we were always like, go, man, do what you have to do what you must. I mean, that's at the end of the day, that's what it is. So it's great to see her back on set. We're very happy to see her back on set. She's happy to be back on set. Yeah, it's all good.
Before we wrap up, coming back to Arya, how did you land up for this role of Daulat? And what were your first thoughts?
So there's a casting director called Abhimanyu Ray. He had called me, and his conviction for me to play this character called Daulat was so immense that then he made me test with him, and he helped me so much in that test. He really guided me. He knew it was him, because I did not know the script or anything. Only he knows the script, right? I only knew the scenes, and he was so sure about me. Then he showed it to Ram sir and Amita, who's Ram's wife, and they liked it. And I think that credit goes to Abhimanyu. Ki matlab main uske zehn mein bhi aaya. He thought about me at that point. And that's how it happened. Yeah. Then I got the script and I read it, and I just absolutely loved it, and I got so lucky. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sikandar, for joining us. It was wonderful talking to you.
Likewise.
All of us are eagerly waiting for Arya season 2, and I'm sure people are gonna love it. All the very best.
Thank you, Chirag. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.